Hi everyone! In this video, you'll learn how to purify and enrich phages that we previously isolated. These are the materials required. First, we perform plaque assay for purification. Serial dilute phage lysate by transferring 100 microliter of phage lysate to 900 microliter of PBS and mix. Repeat this step until the fifth tube. This creates a series of phage lysate with 10 to 100,000 times dilution. Select the appropriate dilution to be plaque. Today, we select dilution factor of 3, 4, and 5. Add 100 microliter of overnight bacteria culture. And 100 microliter of diluted phage lysate to 3 ml of soft agar and mix by inverting. Pour the soft agar on TSA immediately. Gently swirl to create an even surface and let it set. Repeat the step for dilution factor 4 and 5. Culture for overnight at 37 degrees Celsius. After 18 hours, observe the plates for plaque formation. Select single plaque for purification. Use a 1000 microliter pipette tip to pick the plaque. Pierce right through the plaque. Resuspend the plaque into PBS. And this is your phage lysate for further purification. Repeat the dilution for phage lysate. And perform plaque assay until plaque with single morphology was observed throughout the plate. To enrich the purified phage, to increase the phage titer, add 100 microliter of phage lysate and 100 microliter of overnight bacteria culture to 5 ml of TSB. Culture for overnight at 37 degrees Celsius. After 18 hours, filter the culture to collect phage lysate with sufficient titer. It is ready for further experiment and storage.